I look like I don't even know how to explain it. It's just not good. Like, hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, in today's video that I have for you. I'm really excited about because this is a video that goes with the series that started last week called like, what is that? What is this? How do I use this? What is the deal with this? It's a new series on my YouTube channel. It's a series where I talk about different products that are like common products in the beauty industry that people use. But a lot of times, like, unless you actually like do some research or ask for help, you don't really know if it actually works, if it's a product you need, stuff like that. And it's stuff that like when I started on my journey to health, wellness, beauty, self, awareness, all that stuff, it was stuff that I'd be like, do I really need that? Is it really like a good product? Like, what's the deal with that? So I'm really excited about this series. I think it is really awesome. I got a lot of really positive feedback from the first video we did on like, what is body butter? And today we're going to do another product that like, when I first heard about it, I'll be real with you, I was like, I feel like there's just another thing that people are trying to get me to buy. I don't feel like I actually need this. Like, I don't actually think that it's going to do anything special for me or change my life. So today we're going to talk about eyelash primer. And you might be saying, what's eyelash primer? Well, let me tell you. Eyelash primer is what you're supposed to put on before you put on mascara. And at first, I honestly didn't even understand what this was, because they'd be like, oh, well, this like helps your lashes. And I'd be like, well, helps it how? What does it really do? They'd be like, well, some people be like, well, it conditions them. I'd be like, okay, that's weird. They'd be like, or, it helps lengthen them. And I was like, okay, I don't know if I believe that. Or they'd say like, well, if you use an eyelash primer, it gives you thicker, fuller lashes. And I'd be like, I don't really know. If that really makes much of a difference. And I'm gonna be real with you. I've used a few different eyelash primers, and a lot of them, honestly, they actually really don't do much of a difference. I've used like prestige brands, I've used drugstore brands, and I've actually had a lot where I've been like, I don't actually really see much of a difference. So this is a product that I will say, depending on the brand you buy, it actually really doesn't make much of a difference. But if you get the right one, it really can make a difference in your lashes and improve them. One, if you're looking for a prestige brand that's really good, is the Benefit's Their Real Lash Primer. Benefit makes really good eyelash products, and so that is a good one that does help, with lengthening and extending your eyelashes. My actual favorite, honestly, my hands down favorite, is one that I got in a couple of different beauty boxes. I tried it out, and it's hands down the best one I've ever used. I've used Lancome, I've used a few different brands, and this is the one that I know really makes a difference, and it is the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Eyelash Primer. And the thing about this is, first off, this is a drugstore lash primer. So here's the best news about this. You can get this for under $10. And if you have things like coupons or whatever, places like Walmart and Target off beauty products, hello, you're getting it for really cheap. And it actually legitimately works. So the reason I personally like lash primer is because I don't do false lashes. I've tried it. I've tried numerous times to do false lashes. It does not work for me. It is not my calling. I would like to wear false lashes and have like amazing like lash life, like, people like Jaclyn Hill or Nikki Tutorials, but it just doesn't work. When I put on fake lashes, I look like I don't even know how to explain it. It's just not good. Like, and maybe I'll do a video where I put on false lashes just to show you, but it's not pleasant. They look very fake and they don't look great. So for me, I use lash primer, and I will tell you, I do have, like, if you can see, I do have more naturally longer eyelashes, but as you can see, you can't even really see my eyelashes right now. And somebody like my mom has really thin eyelashes, and her eyelashes are blonde. So the other thing is, with lash primer, when you put this on, it makes your lashes easier to get with mascara and adhere to. So there's that. All right. So what I'm basically going to show you is, I didn't put on any mascara or primer or anything today because I wanted to show you on video the difference that it actually makes when you put on lash primer. So I'm actually going to do one eye with just mascara and one eye with lash primer, so you can see the difference, and just like how it thickens and extends your lashes and gives them just a little bit more like, yes. Okay, so we're going to do my right eye with the lash primer. I'm actually gonna feel so goofy all day without this, but it's worth it. It is worth it for the video, so whatever. All right, so we're gonna get over here, and I'm gonna get creepily close here so you guys can see me putting it on. Now, are you already seeing this? Are you seeing how, like, I have no lashes and suddenly I have lashes? And the thing that I love about this primer specifically is it really does thicken and extend my lashes. Like, seriously, look at this. Are you seriously seeing the difference right now? Honestly, I don't even know if I need to do one side without mascara, because I'm pretty sure you can see right now the serious difference that I have from one side to the other. The other nice thing is too, because eyelash primer is like white and it's not actual mascara, if you mess up or make a mistake, it's not a big deal because it's not going to show up on your makeup later. And the other thing is, It also serves to give you like a nice outline for your actual lashes in shape. So as you can see here, now you can see I have thick, full, amazing lashes, and I haven't even put on mascara yet. I mean, look, I'm even back from the camera and you can see the difference. You can't even see my lashes on the other side. And here it looks like I got something going on in a good way on this side. All right, so today I'm gonna be using the Tarte's Tarte Mascara. I got this in like a BoxyCharm box like a month or two ago. I freaked out. I completely lost my business because I was so excited over this. This is an amazing, amazing mascara. And now I'm going to apply that over the lashes that I put on the primer. And as you can see, I mean, seriously, like just look how big and full my lashes look right now. And my lashes, all I put on was primer. I don't have any false lashes in. I don't have any extensions in, anything. But my lashes went from basically being non-existent to now being really thick and full. And yes, it's not the fullness of like false lashes, but honestly, like I get enough thickness and fullness in my lashes that I don't feel like I need to wear false lashes. I feel like my lashes look big enough and give me enough of that like doe eye look that I'm not worried about having false lashes. And also, like I said, we've had this conversation, me and false lashes just don't look right. It's not a pleasant look for me. It's not a thing that really works out. And another thing that I will tell you guys, if you're ever having a day where you're doing your makeup, your mascara, and you feel like I did lash primer, I did mascara, and I still feel like I'm not getting, you know, as much volume or boost that I want, a little trick that I started doing on days where I feel like I'm not getting like enough lash look is that I actually will take a second mascara and I will apply that. And not the same brand, not a second coat of the same mascara, I will use a different one. So basically like this mascara, as you can see from the spoolie itself, it is a little bit shorter. They're not as full bristle. So this is gonna really work to lengthen and extend lashes and spread your lashes apart. That's why I really like this mascara, because it's a one and done. But something you can do if you're like, I still like have really, really thin lashes, Drew, I really need something to thicken it. Take a mascara with a thicker spoolie, like a Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced that like is literally like a very thick bristled applicator, and put a little bit of that right here underneath, and it'll just give you a little bit more punch. You don't want to put it on too thick because then you're gonna have like clumpiness and it's not gonna look attractive, but it's gonna do something where it's literally, I don't know why, when you use two different applicators and two different formulas of mascara, it just gives you like, so now I'm going to put mascara on my other side so you can see the difference. Now, this is a good mascara. It's gonna show up and it's gonna look good, but you're gonna see just a difference in like the thickness on this side compared to that. You know what I mean? And you may just say, hey, I'm good with just the mascara. I mean, look at, I'm putting on mascara right now. Look at the difference. I mean, are you seeing the difference? And I want to point out again, I am not sponsored by anyone. I am not making any money by making this video. I'm not getting anything for this. I'm literally just trying to show you guys about products you can use. So me endorsing or advertising this is me just doing this on my own volition. I mean, look at this. Come on. Are you seeing this? Look at the difference from this side to this side. I mean, girl, are you seeing the difference? And like I said, this primer, you can buy this for like under $10 at Target right now. I mean, honestly, I look a fool because this eyelash side looks amazing and this side looks a fool. Okay, so that's seriously all this video is today. I'm literally just showing you what eyelash primer is, what it does. Like I said, there's a few different brands that I've tried and they work okay. They do a little bit, but they don't really make a massive difference. The hands down, the best I've ever had is the Voluminous Lash Mascara from L'Oreal Paris. And the best part is it is so cheap. Like that's honestly the part that I like love more than anything, is it doesn't cost like much of anything to get it. So that is all I have for you guys today. I'm really upset about my lashes right now. I wish I would have just like not even, but I wanted you to see the difference. I wanted you to be able to see like what the difference is with lash primer to no primer. Looks a little bit false lashes in a cool way. This just looks like, girl, okay, so that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at JustLikeDrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, make sure you click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we are literally the best crew because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so stinking much. And if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life. And I cannot wait to have another video soon telling you what something is, what it does, do you need it, what's going on with that. All right, talk to you guys so stinking soon. Love you. Bye, goodbye. Bye. Acclimate me into this new sleep machine, because the truth is, while I've become so disciplined in my other side of my health journey, I need to maintain discipline in everything else. And I